Hey, this is Greg with Superior Cleaning Equipment. We're out here today at Desert Mountain at the Renegade course. As you can see here, we've got a brand new SCE BIO installation that we put in. We also replaced their chemical mixing tank and storage. This is a Bio 25 in all stainless steel with an ozone generating system. And what we did here was we mounted the grass green waterfall filter up here on the wall, coming down into one of their two grass trailers, which we provided. Microbes, NEMA control panel, heavy duty peristaltic injection pump. As you can see, all brass controls, heavy duty industrial solenoids, TEFC motors. It's a 4-stage system, so it comes in from the top, drains into the bottom, runs up into the unit here. First stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage is ozonated to kill any bacteria, fecal matter, things of that nature, and then goes back to the pressure washers. So we ran these outlet to pressure washers here into a manifold, which then go to 1, 2, 3 belt drive Honda gas-fired pressure washers. Unusual for golf carts. Of course, they're usually electric, but in this case, they didn't have the power. We needed to conserve the power, so we had stands built for these. Had these specially ordered with big self-drive TS 1511 pumps. You can see the brass in the manifolds, electric start, battery frames. 3 of these, 3 gallons a minute at 1,000 PSI. So this came out really nice. Additional grass trailers. Our guys did a phenomenal job. You can see it's easy to service, easy to see what's going on, easy access on the top covers. We can walk back here real quick. We had to move some water lines, so we redid the water lines. We replumbed everything. We put a auto purge valve, an electric auto purge valve on it here with a timer, so it dumps the first tank every night back to the pit. You can see we used all Schedule 80 PVC pipe, all Schedule 80 couplers and nipples and ball valves, and they did a nice job of cleaning up the plumbing. We also, by the way, replaced their chemical mixing tank, replaced their ladder that they use for that chemical mixing tank, redid the boom, reused their old pump and just replumbed it with a big banjo ag strainer on here on the front end, and then redid the plumbing also on the other side. So we labeled, stickered everything. Came out really nice. They've been wanting to redo this for about 4 or 5 years. They had an old ESD system that wasn't operating anymore, and so we replaced it with this unit. So thank you for watching this. If you have any questions, go to washrackdesign.com or sceclean.com, or you can call us at 800-635-4903. My extension's 13, and we'd love to help you with your wash water, golf and turf maintenance facility situation. Thanks again.